Hello, hello, hi there, LLM. I like to use soldering iron, make some device, and I make for myself very simple flux dispenser. As you can see, it's just a bolt, nut, and use the flux spritz with the flux, what you can buy in any magazine with the electronic component and tools. So good idea, but not enough for me. So I like to work with the comfort and live with the comfort. That's why I want to make for myself, and actually already almost make the electronic semi-automatically manual flux dispenser or dispenser for soldering past. So I take the spritz, I take the bolt, nut, I take some aluminum tube, step motor. Why step motor? Because I haven't any else motor. I take nails, and you can see that easy to make it, and I hope everyone who want or need that, you can redo that by yourself. So let me try to explain how it works and what's the main sense of these things. So this picture not very perfect assembling drawing, and actually not very perfect drawing, and actually I'm very ashamed because I draw that and now I understood if I see something like this, I don't understood how it work or how it must be. But actually what I do, I cut off the plunger from spritz. I take the aluminum tube, I just insert the nut inside that aluminum tube, so that's why I have that small surface for hold for moving up and down. I use the drill and I drill the step motor and bolt and make something like a driver shaft, and you can see what I've done. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 millisecond, he must to 10 small second, I don't know. He must to split the flux or soldering past, but I think it will be enough. So as you can see, when I have sensor, you can use the switch, but I like sensor, and not very good. In one case, I think it's not so good. In another case, it's very good. In first case, it's he have something like timer. That's why you can't to press and long time to move the plunger of spritz. But not big deal. I think it's not big problem. So when you press the switch, they are through the flux and dispense the flux, and it must be comfortable things. Anyway, you can press again and again until you have enough the flux on your printed circuit board or what you want to do. So I use actually 3 switch and 3 button and 1 sensor, and 3 button I need one. It's like move in one way, another switch it's move opposite way, and one is the menu. I don't know, maybe something like automatically more the settings like that. I'm still not sure. I need to try to make some experiment, but I haven't flux now actually. But I think it must be work great. I use the layout PCB, and actually 3 button, 1 sensor, and Arduino Pro Mini, and driver for step motor, because I use the step motor, but I think more accurate it will be use another motor not step it. DC motor will be enough, I think. But you need to see, you need to look how much power that. In my case, power of step motor, it's enough to rotate the bolt and make the no, and move the plunger from spritz. So that's why I think it's cool. So I'm sorry for my assembling drawing that I think not have any sense, but I'm lazy to redo that. But I think now in this video you can see and understood how that mechanism work and what's the main idea of these things. No, actually, what I also can say, it's work. I still haven't the soldering passed, but I 100% I think it's work. What I supposed to do next time? Next time I just printed the box for the print layout PCB driver, make that more beautiful, more accurate. When I come back at home, I hope so. And then I think I can show you how that things must look. But get to the point. I think that idea will be very great because it's work. I think it's 100% it can work and can do what I need. Good luck and bye. See you next time. So, uh, I forget what I want to say, so just bye. See you next time.